Law entrance exam is presented to you by Hardeep Singh from IFT. So first we'll talk about BHU LLB. The university consists of 140 departments, about 15,000 students, 1,700 teachers and nearly 8,000 non-teaching staff. The courses for Bachelors of Law offered by the university are BA LLB and LLB. The courses of Masters of Law are LLM, LLM HRDE and LLM for 1 year. The university also offers higher level studies for which PhD and doctorate in law can be opted by the students. And the students who want to do a diploma course in law can opt for one of the postgraduate diploma course. Now the eligibility would be any student who wants to and has at least 50% in his undergraduate qualifications. Students should have conferred a BBA, BSc, BCom, at least a 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern or any other degree with at least 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern recognized by the Bar Council of India. And eligibility for BLLB honors would be 50% for general and 45% for OBC and 40 if he is from SC or ST category. A student should have cleared for 10th in a 10 plus 2 model or a recognized University of India or outside from a senior secondary board or the equivalent constituted by the union or state government. So how to register? So step 1 would be registration on the official website, and that is the very first step for the students in the process of registering themselves. Students need to go to the official website and fill the registration form, pay the fees, and the application fees for BHU LLB entrance exams are as follows. For general OBC 600 and SC ST 300. Now we'll talk about the syllabus and exam pattern. So we have general awareness and current affairs, which has 50 questions of 3 marks. This section relates to public knowledge and the latest international or national facts and figures. Then we have legal aptitude and mental ability of 50 marks, 50 questions carrying 3 marks each. The section has mental ability questions, that is basic puzzle related like mathematics, averages, probability. And then we have English comprehension that has 50 questions of 3 marks each again. And the questions will be based on grammatical and vocabulary knowledge. So the advantages of BULLB coaching are wide. The You'll get an overview of the syllabus. You'll benefit from the learning of teachers. Your doubts will be cleared on time. You will get guidance sessions. You will get a constant practice, deep performance analysis by a trained faculty, and time management, which is the key to cracking such entrance exams. And the advantages of mock tests are far-fetched. You will be adept at handling pressure. You will maintain your speed. You will get instant evaluation. You will be able to focus on your weak areas, and you will be able to avoid negative marking in the long run. Also, you will be gaining a lot of confidence. Thank you.